Checklists. The Boat app includes a checklists module as a handy way to replenish or check your equipment, spares, tools, safety gear, medical supplies and gear, consumables, food provisions, etc. Do you need to buy something from the supermarket or the ship chandler? Simply have it in a corresponding list and go shopping. Have you got it? Strike it out, check the item in your list. Like this, is very convenient to have shopping or to-do checklists, which you can easily reuse over time, by simply adding some new item, or unchecking an already existing item, and then simply check it when you have bought or done it. How to access the checklists. To access checklists, log into the Boat app, and then you may select Checklists from the left side menu. Then, select Public Checklists, where you may see all the publicly available checklists. Use the top right search box to filter the checklists' titles matching your criteria. How to register a new checklist. Select Checklists from the left side menu and then click the plus Add Checklist button on the main screen. You are now on the checklist's registration screen. Firstly, add the name and description of the specific checklist you are adding. You may also click Private Gold feature in case you wish the checklist not to be public and remain available to you only. Your checklist has now been created. To populate it, click on plus Add button and add list items. When done, click Save on the top right of the page. How to follow or copy a public checklist. Select Checklists from the left side menu, then just below it select Public Checklists, where you may see all the publicly available checklists. Use the top right search box to filter the checklists' titles matching your criteria, and find the checklist you wish to use. Then, click the follow symbol and the checklist will be added in your My Checklists. You will be able to use it as a checklist, being able to check or uncheck any items you wish. You will not be able to add, remove or rearrange items, but you will always have the latest version since, when its creator will add, revise anything your followed checklist will be also up to date. Select Checklists from the left side menu, then just below it select Public Checklists, where you may see all the publicly available checklists. Use the top right search box to filter the checklists' titles matching your criteria, and find the checklist you wish to use. Then, click the copy symbol and the checklist will be copied in your My Checklists. You will be able to fully use it as a checklist you have created, being able to edit the title, description, and add or remove or rearrange items. Of course, in this case you will not receive any updates, in case the initial checklist creator will add or revise the checklist items. How to manage checklists. Select Checklists from the left side menu. You are now on the Checklists screen, where you may see all your checklists including My Checklists and Public Checklists. On the bottom of each checklist you may click to Details, view or make changes on the checklist's title, description and public status. Copy makes a copy of your checklist. You may wish to use this to start a new checklist with items already existing in one of your current checklists. Also, you may copy and clean up a private checklist of yours and then make it public for others to use it. View and commenting. View of the checklist and the comments submitted by other users. Of course, you may comment back. Delete the checklist. Following adds the checklist in your My Checklists section. You have only check or uncheck functionality, but you will receive any updates performed by the creator, for example addition or revision of items. The Boat app. Your boating life in one app. A place for everything and everything in its place.